Boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know how we do. We're blessed. Hoping having a wonderful day today. But just a couple topics I want to get into that Missy trending in Jamaica. You didn't see it, not in any particular order. That's why it's extremely important for you to watch to the end, so you don't miss a thing. Now, first up, me see a video of some Chinese Jamaicans doing what they do best. It's cooking. You know what I mean? What type of meat it is? Well, let's take a look.
This is how Chinese eat dog in Jamaica.
History me I tell me I look on live. Watch my China friend and dog them I eat. You know what I mean? Yeah. Real life dog. This are in a Jamaica. This are not China. Yeah. Yeah. Taka. Gooda. Eh? Gooda.
You pick a money.
Whoa, what is from money? Understand? Yeah. This is all China deal with dogs in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So people try lock up on the dog. If you see them start missing, you know what go on. What if a dog I eat around here, you know what I mean? Live in a China, live in a Jamaica. Jamaica, live.
Yeah, put in the comment section what do you think about that. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna say anything because people eat all types of protein around the world, what's available to them. You see what I'm saying? You know, in America, most of these things are processed and not wild. You know what I mean? So it's actually an unhealthy diet. Them and you. You see what I'm saying? But nevertheless, and I'm not dark, you see me? But let's proceed to the next. Now, the next video I see is people complaining about the high-grade herbs that I get sent down from, you know, Canada and California to Jamaica. We're talking about the Kushes, the sour diesels, the etc., But honestly, people, there's nothing wrong with these hybrid herbs. You see me? You know what I mean? And I'll get to that after this video.
I last year, I make a video and tell you them to be careful of them ganja where them are burning, kind of lick them head enough from what you know. Zane, and so one scientists come out and say the weed nowadays are the new crack. The weed that them make nowadays are the new crack. With the heap of chemical like to fuck up the youth them. Me say, from me down Jamaica, first me say so much mad bumbuckler little boy. Me say madman like fuck you some mad girl. Jesus Christ. And I be a young people are mad enough. Me say from Kush come in. A Jamaica friend of mine say, yo, give me tantric, give me this. Give me the cherry pie, give me. Me say, mumbo clot, mad people like fuckery. Be a chemical, me know ganja grow in a blood clot, son. Me don't know ganja grow in a light and then something. Be a chemical. I fuck up the youth them brain. Mad youth for days in a Jamaica, man. Careful like chemical ganja, it's a mad out on a pussy clot and born a paranoid. Yo, me paranoid, me don't trust people. Ganja attack. It's a mad out on a bumbo clot. Low off a chemical ganja. Bumbo clot.
First and foremost, Kush is a name of a region in India, one of them places there over Pakistan, Amsterdam. You see me? Not Amsterdam. You know what I mean? So that's how you get the name Kush. Like when people think of high-grade herbs at Jamaica, them say orange hills. You know what I mean? So Kush is not a hybrid. Kush is just a strain of weed that takes a shorter period of time to bud. You know what I mean? Because you know the sativa them take longer, so that's why man start import the short strain them, so them can, you know, get more yields throughout the year because Babylon always abundant on the field them with the sensimania, the sativa them. You know what I mean? And it takes a long for growth, so that's why you have different types of strains. You know what I mean? The reason why most of these things is unnatural because they're grown inside and they don't get a chance to experience types to being sick and whatever outside forces is outside to make them stronger generation after generation. You know what I mean? But besides that, oh no, he's eating a lot of hybrid stuff. Basically all the food in the supermarket is hybrid. You know what I mean? But me just like giving an update what I go on for that to go and put in the comment section what you think about that. You see me? I say, yeah, big up the natural land strain them, you see me? Now we did a video yesterday on the King Mixup channel with Nicki Minaj, with Brittany basically fighting over Nicki money. Not says she was begging money, but Nicki did not give her some money, and she ended life. And Nicki like says she fool. I mean, you have them big money spender, them it's time to turn on the show and act a fool. You see me? Because of shellings, you see me? Well, it looked like says she caught wind of what people were saying. Nicki Minaj ended up joining the live today and giving her some, good reasonings. So let's take a listen.
Oh, what part of Jamaica?
I'm from Montego Bay.
Montego Bay? By the beach?
Yeah.
Alright. You know I never went live with nobody on TikTok, right?
I know.
Them say here lie. You know from Montego? Why somebody has said that?
I still don't believe it's you.
Who don't believe it's me? They know it's me. I don't want you to be sad.
I'm not sad, but I'm really honored you came in the box.
It's my pleasure. You should be yourself. You shouldn't care who's watching you. You should be yourself. Because that's what people love. It's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Some days you're going to wake up and not going to be your best self. And that's okay. You're human.
Right.
And so when you make a mistake, you don't got to beat up on yourself for it. The next day, get up and do better and keep it the fuck moving.
Right.
And any pussy clap boy who want bomber clap chat to you, tell them a me blood clot say. Well, me not want to say, Me want to tell them suck them mother. Me want to tell them to crawl back under them bomber clap, mama. But me not gonna say it, Me a nice girl. Me is a nice girl. So let them know that I got your back. Now, when they unfreeze my,
I'll be back, gotta go. Okay, Nicki Minaj. Love you, queen. Wow. Wow, I have to say, I'm processing it. So, process that shit. Very songbird. I'm gonna wait and see. She pinned herself, so she gonna come back soon. Let's see if she come back. Wow, guys, screen record this now. Let's do this. Wow, let's go. Okay, I'm a Barbs, nigga. I'm never gonna change his name. I'm a Barbs. I don't know about you, but I'm a Barbs, girl. I am a Barbs. Barbie vibes. Barbie vibes. Yeah. It's so nice. I'm still in shock, like, what has happened? Guys, please to call the head of TikTok now and let them see that Nicki Minaj came over and give me. Go over TikTok head office and tell the man and the woman who always come over here for come pick for me. Tell him say if you come over here now, because tell him to come over here now for see, because then if he text me, because they not text me. Tell him say then if he text me so I can go up on the TikTok page. So they can send me over to TikTok head office, because I want to go over to TikTok account so they can highlight me and tell the people them say they follow back my new account. So
Anyway, people, may not go long on this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and go up on the King Mixup channel as well as the other channels to see what I go on for that to go on. You see me? Most importantly, I'm blessed up on yourself. I'm out.